Learners, today we will learn how to run Java programs in our computer, in our Windows. So for running Java programs, we have to download first JDK. So for downloading JDK, we have to search here download JDK. Download JDK for Windows. So from the Oracle website, we can download it. And after opening the Oracle website, we have to scroll down, and now we have to select here Windows, and here three operating systems are here: Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So if you are using Mac OS, so you will go here and download any of the one JDK software. And if you are using Linux, so according to the size you can download here according to your Windows 64-bit or 32-bit. You can choose one of them. Now Windows, so Windows 64-bit, so I am downloading here, and now downloading is started here. I have already downloaded this application, so I will not download it. After that we needed a Blue J. For Blue J we have to open the Blue J website. Here it is already opened, so from here it is very easy to search, and Windows icon is here. Okay, so we will open here Windows. Now you can see downloading is started here. This setup is 239 MB. It will take some time, so see, after downloading we have to install first JDK. So here in the download folder JDK is here, so JDK is here prepared. Now we have to go for the next option, next, and now here it is unpacking. It is started here. Yes, so our JDK is installed here successfully. After that here we have to close button. Now JDK is ready, and Blue J setup is also downloaded. We have to just click on it. Setup will ready to start. Now next, and next. The directory path is here. You can change it. If you want to change the directory path, you can change it from here, but there is no need to change. Simply use same path, next, and install. Yes, it will take less than 1 minute if your configuration is good. Now it is finished. JDK and Blue J is installed here. Close it. Now Blue J icon is appearing here. So how you will create your first program? Simply double click on it. No thanks. And here Blue J interface is opened. And now here you have to create first project, new, my first project. Now from here you can create one class, new class. Type here hello, and then okay, double click on it. Now Control A, remove. Now here we will write one small program. Now we will use control plus K for compile our program. There is no error in this program. Message is coming here, class compiled, no syntax error. Now we will close this window and now right click on it and run the main function. Now you can see our output hello Java. Thank you students. Can install Blue J and JDk software like this. After that you can use. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.